Good afternoon. My name is Lita Moore Johnson. I currently teach first grade at the J.F. Wall Elementary School in Helena, Arkansas, the Deep Delta. Some of my hobbies include shopping, decorating, playing the piano, singing, and attending church. This pandemic has dampened my ability to attend church as I would like to. However, I hope the near future would allow me to attend church more than I have in the last 10 months. I also enjoy teaching very much. I enjoy helping others and advocating for my community. A little bit about disciplinary literacy, according to Elizabeth Moge. The idea that if we're working from disciplinary literacy perspective, we're given the access to the tool of knowledge, production, and critique. In other words, we're teaching kids to navigate from everyday to disciplinary literacy practices. We teach them how knowledge is written and produced. We want our students to understand where the knowledge concept or the idea comes from. And one tool for understanding that is through language. How we put ideas into oral and written language. We're helping kids to navigate through the various domains so that they'll be able to ask better questions. Better questions is going to lead to better answers, and better answers will lead to a better understanding of the concept that is being taught. I look forward to learning more about disciplinary literacy and getting a better understanding during this semester. Thank you.